In this course, primarily we'll be looking at search engine optimization using Google. So what you should do is install lots of different browsers. So in the case of Chrome, if it's not already installed, go and install it. And then what you want to do is to set it up and configure it so that by default it will show Google on the home page. And also we want to set the default search engine again to Google. So I've opened up the Chrome web browser. If I click up here on these three dots and then go to where it says Settings, and I scroll down a bit, there's a couple of things I can change. So the first thing I can do is go and click on this where it says Show Home button. If I click on that, I can enter a custom web address, so in this case www.google.com. In the section marked Search Engine, if I click on this down arrow here, you can set the default search engine that's used in the address bar. And in this case, again, just make sure it's set to Google.